So Kristen and I are sitting in the car, snacking on some peanuts while it's raining out here. These right here, well, this right here is my favorite mix ever, okay? Went to Walmart to get some stuff. My favorite parts are what? Let me show y'all. What is this? Cajun sesame sticks, okay? Which ones? Yep, that's it. The toffee peanuts, so good. Because they're sweet. And then the crispy corn kernels. Sweet, salty, savory, spicy. So good. It also has almonds. Yeah, it's supposed to be spicy. Also had almonds. Don't care for it too much. And last but not least, peanuts. So